How to add multiple photos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device, and after launching the Instagram application, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on that, you'll be able to click the picture or just get the pictures for your post. So just select any of the photos or the videos that you would want for your Instagram. So just make a long press on the photos and you'll be able to select multiple photos. Then tap on next. And as you tap on next, you'll be able to make necessary filters over here. You can just tap on any of the filters that you'd want and then tap on next. And here you can just mention the caption, tag people, add music, add the audience and so on, and then tap on share and you'll be able to get it shared on your Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.